Hello, today we are going to talk about how to create an assignment within your gradebook. The first thing you need to do is go to Synergy and log in, and you will land on your home page. From your home page, you are going to click on the drop-down menu. We'll give you a whole list of different things that you can do with your gradebook, but we are just going to click on New Assignment. The first thing that you want to do when you're creating a new assignment is making sure that you are selecting the content area in which the assignment will be graded. So for today's example, we're just going to talk about reading. We're going to create a reading assignment. So I want to make sure that I'm selecting reading. But I also want to make sure that it is in the right marking period. So if I need to change the marking period, I just simply click on the correct marking period that I would like to use. Once all of that is set, I now can create my assignment name. So I'm just going to say reading with text features. In the description, I want to be able to describe exactly what this assignment is. I don't have to be super detailed, but I want to be able to be detailed enough so that when students and parents are looking at this assignment in the gradebook or through Parent View, they are able to understand exactly what was happening. So for instance, I'm just going to say students are reading a text and identifying text features. The type of assignment allows you to select from anything that you would like to down here. I'm going to put in classwork, and then my subject, I'm going to select reading. And when I scroll down here, I want to select WCPS Standards Rubric 1 through 4. Now this will be automatically defaulted for the pilot schools, so you won't have to worry about changing it, but just make sure that it does say WCPS Standards Rubric 1 through 4. You can certainly assign different amounts of points, but this is just for weighting, so you do not need to weight in standards-based grading. Everything is based on the individual point scale. You want to include the date of the assignment. For the assignment category, you want to select normal. For standards-based grading, we do not give extra credit. We feel that work can be given feedback and that the students are able to repeat the work and have conversation and have an opportunity to redo things, but extra credit is not given. And if this is something that's not going to be scored, you certainly can select not for grading. If you would like parents to see this, please select Show Assignment in Portal, as well as the Show the Rubric Score in Portal. This will allow parents to be able to see the rubric so that they are easily able to interpret it. You can also select Show Only When Scored, so this assignment will not appear to parents until you have actually entered a score or a grade for the student. So once I have entered all of the information above, I now need to pick the standard that correlates with my assignment. So as I scroll down here, I am looking for my standards. All of the standards that are listed over here are called all of the standards. It literally says all standards. If I want to know just what my class standards are, then I can click class standards. It only lists a certain amount of standards, so it doesn't give you all of them. For today's lesson, I am going to select all standards, and I'm going to find English Language Arts, grade 1, because that's the grade that I'm working in. And as you can see, I need to find my informational text. And so I select that. I come over here and I'm going to find my various text features, and I'm just going to click on it. Once you've clicked on it and selected it, a little blue button appears that says selected. I'm also going to select this one and this one. So for this entire assignment, I am going to be grading or scoring the student on these particular standards. Once I have finished selecting the standards, I'm going to scroll all the way to the top and click Save Assignment. So once you save your assignment, you're going to want to come over here to where it says the view or the standard view. You want to make sure, because you do have the choice, that you can select by cluster or standard. If you select standard, because that's what you're scoring this on, your assignment is built on standards, all of the standards that you selected will appear here. When you click out from the standard, you will see all of your assignments that you have created, which are here in green, and the standard in which they attach to or which they support. From here, you can simply grade the student, click your Save button, and you have created a standard-based assignment. Tune in to the next module to look at how we understand and identify the different standards.